Lenovo has just lifted the veil on its latest innovation, the Yoga Book 913 MU9, marking a significant leap in laptop design with its dual display feature. This convertible notebook is not just a technological advancement, it's a glimpse into the future of personal computing. With two 13.3-inch OLED screens, it offers a seamless multitasking experience, allowing users to extend their workspace or engage in multiple activities simultaneously. Each display shines with a 2.8K resolution, 400 nits of brightness, and a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring crisp, vibrant visuals. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7155U processor and equipped with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, the Yoga Book 913 MU9 is built to handle any task with ease. It runs on Windows 11, providing the latest in software efficiency and security. The device also boasts a quad-speaker setup for immersive audio, a 5-megapixel webcam for clear video calls, and a suite of connectivity options including Wi-Fi 6E and Thunderbolt 4. With over 9 hours of battery life and a 65 charging capability, it's designed for the modern, on-the-go lifestyle. Experience the pinnacle of laptop innovation with the Lenovo Yoga Book 913 MU9.